in the city. Remember you used to drive a Yukon. I pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot, Tucson. Where you with me? In the Phantom with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. Looking up, you get a move on. Like you call, and I know you let the ghost.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is maintenance day. I am running just a little bit behind, but I'm about to head out for my hair maintenance. This is like a two-part, I guess, hair maintenance. This first part, I just got my braids down, but I'm gonna hopefully get a trim, and then she's gonna straighten my hair. I haven't straightened my hair since I started growing it out, so that's exciting. Then in 2 weeks, I will be having my own, I'm gonna go get my first sew-in ever. So anyway, let's go because I am running late. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We are back and we are better. And let me know if you guys want more of these maintenance. It's 2026 and we are going to stay fresh from the beginning to the end. I need to go put on some damn perfume.
I'ma give you what you want. I could put you in the east and around. Right around town with your hair done wrong. I know you like it when I tell you what you want. If you bang what you telling me so wrong. I can tell your friends you don't want that. You like to go slow, but would you go faster? Tell me the password. Slide City, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you.
Every day, not only when you're lonely, yeah. You see, you think you know me, but you don't even know nothing about me, yeah. You see my thick thighs, lost when you look into my brown eyes. You see my little ways can make you switch sides. You never know the devil in a disguise, so why don't you stand up, baby, yeah. Tell me, do you want me on top? So let me show you, I don't need to back it up. I wanna hold you slow, just split you in half in my heart.
Yeah, okay.
I just wanna love on you, trust in you, honor you, please do the same on your part. Be honest, you want this, but I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience. Be honest, you want this, but I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience. Take time, you know, stay around whenever I see bad vibes. Before you come my way, make sure you think twice. Look into my eyes, but I can never see eyes. I can point it up, but you know I could never lie. Come through, I can show you something you can run to. When I'm finished, you'll be feeling brand new. Will never be somebody you can run through. And I can put that on my life one time, no cap, big vibes, flow that, catch feels, get high. If you make it better, then you can lie. Just please don't waste my time. Be honest, you want this, but I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience. Be honest, you want this, but I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience.
People they talk their majesty about the way your body twisting. Make me lose control in this thing, man.
back home. I combed this hair out. I'm sorry, I was not about to leave a new silk press with my hair looking like I work at a jail facility serving lunch. So I combed it out. It's cute. I honestly kind of regret curling it. Wish I had it straightened because now it's giving a little bit of pulp. But it's okay. It's cute. I'm gonna let the curls drop eventually. Hopefully they do. Don't know how the back looks, but honestly, it's cute. It's cute. I'm not used to seeing my hair like this, so it will get some used to. This is what the back looks like. But it was a really good experience. I can't believe I've grown my hair out to be like this. Y'all see? It's getting real healthy. So I'm about to go get my nails done now because I have to film a sponsored video. We started 2025 off 2025. We started 2026 off right with a sponsored video. So I'm just gonna go get my nails done. I don't know if I'm gonna film it, to be honest, but this is how atrocious this thing is looking like. I really wish this would just stay down. Stay down, girl. Stay down. But
in my business, come me, I'll treat you right. See me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Lord, I stay out there, always for the honest. Don't say nothing, keep that, let nobody knows. I need to get the fuck on my space. Basement's on the way, please don't beg. Once he's spinning like a great escape. Need a new drink, gold up, don't change.
Hey guys, I am back home. I am so tired. I feel like I've done so much today, but I think it's just spending so much time at the hair salon. Oh my god. Anyway, these are my nails. She did such a good job. I've been going to this homegirl. First of all, I've been going to her for over a year plus. And why did I just find out today that she's from Nicaragua? Yes, I got a Hispanic babe doing my nails. She just takes care of me without me having to like watch every move that she does. You know what I mean? If you get your nails done, then you know exactly what I mean. Like, she does my toes on point. I didn't do my toes today because honestly it's only been 2 weeks since I got my toes done. My nails were looking crazy as before. Anyway, I haven't worked out today and I'm really scared to work out, so we're actually just going to go for a walk. I'm gonna go for a walk on the treadmill for hopefully just 30 minutes to an hour, and then we're gonna come back and get ready because we are starting the year off right. I am going to, well, we're going to go to get massages. Y'all, I feel like a Puerto Rican. I feel like a Puerto Rican with this hair. Like, I feel so bald. It's not even funny because I haven't felt my hair like this in so many years. But anyway, I'm gonna tie this up and hopefully nothing happens to it. I'm gonna give myself a little bun. This how y'all be feeling with this type of texture? What? What the heck? What the heck? Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go work out because I need to move my body. I refuse to let this hair stop me. And if I sweat, so what? It lasted as good couple hours. Hopefully it don't look crazy because I actually gotta film tonight. I don't know if I'm even gonna do it. I think I might just do it tomorrow, to be honest with you. But yeah, let's go work out. I'm gonna tie my hair because we are trying to preserve this hair, and I don't know if this is looking good. Where's my other one? I think I was gonna wash my other one. Yeah, I'm gonna use this But anyway, let's go do our little 30 minutes because that's also part of maintenance. We're also maintaining our body, not just the things that's on us, not just our hair, our nails, our toes, and all that. But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying this so far. I am nervous. God has been so good. It's crazy. What a year. Oh my gosh. Everything's just slipping off. It's just all slipping off. I'm not gonna lie though, I just love having 4C hair. This shit is actually really versatile. AF. Y'all see the edges? Oh my god, it looks so crazy on camera. There's hair there, I promise. If this thing won't stop falling. Okay, come on.
Let's go. No slick back, the only thing that's slick is your edges.
I showered and changed because I went for a walk and I started sweating, but I'm literally wearing the same thing I was wearing earlier, just in different colors. But yeah, I'm just gonna chill a little bit and then we'll go. My nails are so cute. Good morning, beautiful people. It is another beautiful day to be alive. Today is Saturday. I am currently getting ready to go to the gym. I slept so late, y'all, and so I am going to the gym at 1 p.m. Yikes. That's okay. We are gonna go get our workout in. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing today. And I think we have a lot of stuff to do too. This is my OOTD top. Is from TikTok shop, and then the bottom is Woman's Best, and then I'm gonna wear probably my New Balance. Buy tea. We're gonna get more tea this year. Anyway, I'm about to get some something to eat, something light to eat before I head to the gym. I'm honestly gonna just shake this up. This is a probiotic yogurt from Kefir, and for my pre-workout, I am drinking some Alani. So good. I completely forgot to tell you guys. So for my hair, obviously it is silk pressed and I sweat really badly with my hair, but I was looking on TikTok University and they were saying that to preserve your silk press that you should use a sweatband. I don't have a sweatband. I did order some yesterday. I was gonna stop by Lululemon just to get it, but it's not that deep. So instead I have gone to just use this band that I bought on Amazon. It's actually supposed to help you when you're washing your face and you don't want to get water on your hairline. And so I feel like it's the same concept. Someone told me it's the same concept, so I'm gonna try it out and hopefully it works. I did do the 2 little ponytails that they said on TikTok University, so we're gonna see how that works out. But let me actually hurry up and go to the gym. It's 1 o'clock.
driving to nowhere. Up in a slow song, can't get my head clear. I've been off the sunrise, headed to nowhere. Hoping that someone's visible somewhere. Driving, still driving, just trying to get my head right. It'll all be better when I just gotta get my head right. And it don't wait to save me, you all alone in the money. This ain't I know, but it don't feel the void, and I promise my mama do better, but they keep trying me, so I'm with all the bullshit and fuck it. I keep pretending everyone's as good as me. She's so weird I cannot speak. Fight so hard I think I peak. All my exes still love me. Call me up, he wanna freak. All my ops looking distressed. How you copy and compete? Or you just mad that your nigga want me? Or you just mad if it went 10 weeks? Or you just mad that your ass ain't free? Scared to say shit so you fake kiki. Scared to go to niggas so I let them ski. I ain't scared of shit so I swim my knee. I ain't scared of shit so I let mine go. I might shit cause I can find out. I've been up to midnight, driving to nowhere. All in a slow song, can't get my head clear. I've been up to sunrise, headed to nowhere. Hoping that someone's missing me somewhere. Driving, still driving, just trying to get my head right. It'll all be better when I just gotta get my head right. And I can't lose my focus, I know if hope is the goal. And I guess the come ladies come cause they love it all. And I know that if love is my purpose, I came with energy looking for enemies, I just dub it all. I'm inside deep, I've got bitches get too cheap. I'm familiar when I blame, but I look like on my knees. Really just bad, cause I make her look easy. Really just bad, she cheat me deep. Really just bad, she's standing on me. All of my side, but she's so big. Driving up to midnight, driving to nowhere. Over a slow song, can't get my head clear. I've been off the sunrise, headed to nowhere. Hoping that someone's visiting somewhere. Driving, still driving, just trying to get my head right. It'll all